Bonjour and welcome to this video where we'll be covering chapter 1.5, which is Surds, in the book written by Edexcel, covering the Pure Mathematics Year 1 course. This is basically a recap of GCSE knowledge, where you'll cover Surds and its laws, but they're extremely important in A-level. A surd is a root of a number that does not simplify to a rational number, where a rational number is any number which can be expressed as a fraction, such as a over b, where a and b are integers. 1/5 and 4/1 are rational numbers. However, pi and root 7 are not. The laws which you should be familiar with so far are root a times root b equals root of a times b, and root a divided by root b is the same as root a divided by b. Have a go at these practice questions. Pause the video, have a go. So for question 1, root 5 times 3 should be fairly simple. Is 3 root 5. Question 2, root 32 should also be quite simple. So you find two numbers which multiply to give you 32. In this case it's 16 and 2. And root 16 is a square number. 16 is a square number, so root 16 is 4. Therefore root 32 simplifies to 4 root 2. For question 3, root 27 over 3, you find two numbers that multiply to give you 27, which in this case is 9 and 3, where one of them has to be a square number. In this case is 9. So root 9 is 3, therefore you should get 3 root 3 over 3. Just to simplify this even further, you get rid of the 3's, so you should get root 3 over 1, which is the same as root 3. For question 4, you find a surd which has the same root, if that makes sense. Therefore, so in this example, all of the surds have a factor of root 5. So you take a root 5 out and find the square numbers, which in this case root 80 is the same as 4 root 5, root 20 is the same as 2 root 5, and root 45 is the same as 3 root 5. Expand the brackets to give you 12 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 15 root 5, and simplify it to give you 23 root 5. Have a go at these questions. So for question 1 is the same as expanding the bracket, where you do root 2 times 3 and root 2 times root 5. It should give you 3 root 2 plus root 10. For question 2, this should be the same as expanding double brackets, which you do 2 times 3, 2 times root 5, minus root 2 times 3, and minus root 2 times positive root 5. And you should get 6 minus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus root 10. Have a go at this exam question. Please pause the video and have a go. So for this question, we should start by moving the root 3, the denominator, to the other side to get rid of all fractions. And then expand the bracket to give you 8 root 3 times plus x root 36, as you do root 3 times root 12. And root 36 should give you 6 because 36 is a square number. And it should give you 8 root 3 plus 6x equaling to 8x. Move 6x to the other side to give you 8 root 3 equaling 2x. And finally, divide by 2 to give you x equaling to 4 root 3. And 4 root 3 is in the form a root b, where a and b are integers, as it's shown in the question. Therefore, that is the answer. Thank you for listening to this video, and please subscribe and comment down below.